In today's video, we're going to be looking at how to apply for programs on the ImmiBuddy platform easily. When you're on your dashboard, all you have to do is to click on the Explore Programs button. Then you search for the program of your choice. By the left hand side, you're going to see the filter container to filter based on your choice. You can filter based on institution of your choice, based on province, program type, program duration, tuition fee, PGWP eligibility, and field of study requirements. After you have selected, click on the View Details button to go ahead with your submission. This is where you see the institution details, like the program details, the name of the program, the degree type, the program duration, the admission requirements in terms of academic background, minimum GPA required, language proficiency required, the finance needed in terms of application fee, cost of living, tuition fee for the first year also, the key features like PGWP eligibility if it's actually job in demand. You can also see the status of the program intake based on the months and year. When you're done doing that, click on Create Application. You'll get a notification to only go ahead if you're sure that you meet all the requirements. You can confirm that and proceed with your application. So this is where you confirm the session in which you want to go ahead with the program. So select the one that applies to you, then click on Next. Now this is where you submit all the documents needed, like your passport, your bachelor degree certificates, your transcripts. Resume is not compulsory, so you can go ahead without uploading it. So you get a notification that your application is currently under review. For this whole setup, it's important to check your email because you will receive an email confirming that your application has been submitted. If there's any pending case or there's something that needs to be handled, you'll see a notification like this. Click on View Case, check what's required, and upload the documents that has been requested for. After you have done that, click on the Submit Case button. Afterwards, you get a notification that you have no open case. What this means is that you don't have any pending issue to resolve. You'll see a similar email like this confirming that your application has been submitted successfully. Do well to keep an eye on your email inbox and your dashboard in case any further information needs to be passed across or in case you get an offer.